Let us see about photorespiration or carbon cycle. In animals and bacteria, only one kind of respiration is known as dark respiration. This is not affected by the presence or absence of light. Let us see about respiration. Respiration is divided into photorespiration and dark respiration. Respiration that occurs in photosynthetic tissues in the presence of light and results in increased rate of carbon dioxide evolution is called photorespiration or light respiration. Photorespiration involves three organelles, that is, chloroplasts, peroxisomes, and mitochondria. Oxidation of RUBP in the presence of high oxygen is the first reaction of photorespiration. This reaction is catalyzed by Rubisco enzyme called carboxylase. It leads to the formation of 2C compound, that is, phosphoglycolic acid, and 3C compound PGA. When PGA is used up in the Calvin cycle, the phosphoglycolic acid is dephosphorylated to form glycolic acid in the chloroplast. The glycolic acid diffuses into the peroxisome where it is oxidized to glyoxalic acid and hydrogen peroxide. In peroxisome from glyoxalic acid, glycine is formed. Glycine molecules enter into mitochondria where two molecules of glycine combines to give a molecules of serine, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. During this process, NAD+ is reduced to NADH2. The amino acid serine is taken to peroxisome where it is converted into hydroxyl pyruvic acid. Hydroxyl pyruvic acid is reduced by NADH2 to form glyceric acid. The glyceric acid leaves peroxisome and enters the chloroplast where it is phosphorylated to PGA, which enters into Calvin cycle. During the photorespiratory pathway, one carbon dioxide molecule released in mitochondria is to be refixed. Photorespiration is also known as photosynthetic carbon oxidation cycle or C2 cycle. The conditions of high light and limited carbon dioxide supply, photorespiration protects the plants from photooxidative damage. If there is enough carbon dioxide supply, photorespiration protects the plants from photooxidative damage. This means that if enough carbon dioxide is not available to utilize the light energy, excess energy causes damages to the plant. Photorespiration utilizes the part of light energy and saves the plant from photooxidative damage. Increased oxygen level increases photorespiration, whereas increased carbon dioxide level decreases the photorespiration and increases photosynthesis. Now, sort out the difference between photorespiration and dark respiration. Photorespiration takes place only in photosynthetic cells in the presence of light. Dark respiration takes place in all living cells in the mitochondria. Photorespiration is light dependent. Dark respiration takes place in the presence and in the absence of light. Photorespiration is the function of chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Dark respiration is the function of mitochondria alone.